The month of September has a significant importance for the Apple lovers as the company usually launches the new iPhone in September every year. As is the case, every year the rumors about Apple's flagship phones never seem to stop. From the new shape and design to cameras and battery, everyone wants to know the details of the new iPhone and eagerly awaits for it to launch. As you already know, Apple will be launching iPhone 13 series this year with 4 possible models: iPhone 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, and 13 Pro Max. If rumors are to be believed, the iPhone 13 will have a 120Hz LTPO display on both Pro variants, increased battery life, and significant camera modifications that will include new portrait video option and astrophotography mode, among other new features. In addition, the iPhone 13 users may also be able to send signals through satellite in case of an emergency. Apple tested an in-screen fingerprint reader as part of the iPhone 13 development process, which would be a significant addition to the Apple series since the launch of the iPhone X. However, rumors say that the under-display Touch ID did not make the cut for the iPhone 13 models as the technology wasn't completely ready. A15 chip will be used for the 2021 iPhones. At this time, we don't know much about the A15 processor, but new chip designs always provide gains in speed and efficiency. In late May, TSMC began mass production of the A15 chip after Apple placed an order for more than 100 million A15 chips for the upcoming iPhones, anticipating tremendous public demand. iPhone 13 models are expected to have larger batteries than iPhone 12 lineup. The iPhone 13 mini is believed to feature a 2,406 mAh battery, with the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro having a 3,095 mAh battery, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max having a 4,325 mAh battery. All of these battery capacities are higher than those of the iPhone 12. However, because battery capacity and battery life are not the same thing, we still don't know whether the iPhone 13's larger battery will result in greater battery life or not. Apple has no plans to switch the Lightning ports over to USB-C because Apple believes it is an open standard and is less waterproof than Lightning ports. Moreover, Apple can control the quality of Lightning cables and accessories through the Made for iPhone (M5) program, but that is not possible with USB-C. The iPhone 13 and subsequent iPhones are planned to use Lightning ports until MagSafe accessories become widely available, allowing for a portless iPhone design. In comparison to the iPhone 12 models, the 4 new iPhones will have no size modifications. So a 5.4-inch iPhone mini, a 6.1-inch low-cost iPhone 13, a 6.1-inch Pro model, and a 6.7-inch Pro Max model. There would be minor changes in the shape of the cameras, as well as a much-awaited smaller notch. The SIM card tray is expected to slide down as well, which means the power buttons will move down as well. The prices of the iPhone models are expected to remain the same as they were last year, with iPhone 13 mini priced at $699, iPhone 13 at $799, while the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max are expected to be priced at $999 and $1,099 respectively. Apple has an event planned on 14th of September, which will most likely be the date on which iPhone 13 is launched. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Let us know down in the comments what you think about the new iPhone 13. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified of our next video, and I will see you in the next one.